Welcome everyone. Let's begin our lesson for today by going over the learning goals and success criteria. First, what are we learning? We're learning how to recognize coordinates in terms of x values and y values and how to plot points on the coordinate plane. How are we learning it? Through the point them out assignment. When can we use this information? To determine the location of appliances, furniture, and walls when planning to remodel your house. How do we know we learned it? By getting a score of 4 on the point them out assignment. Now let's take a look at our agenda for today. We will begin by going over the learning goals and success criteria. While we do that, you'll fill out your Get It Started. Once you've completed your Get It Started, we'll go over it together and answer any questions that you may have. After that, we'll go over the point them out assignment on Desmos, and then I'll give you time to complete that assignment. Once you've completed the assignment, we'll go over it together and answer any questions that you may have. At the end of class, we'll go back over our learning goals and success criteria while you fill out your Before You Go. Your only homework for tonight is to continue working on the linear equation study guide and any incomplete assignments that you may have. Let's talk now about how to sign in to Desmos to complete your work. So what we're going to do is you're going to click on the link to go to the assignment, and it should take you to a page that looks kind of like this. And right here where it says sign in with Google, we're going to click there. And it's going to pop up with our email accounts. You're going to click on your school email account, and it should already have you logged in because you should have already been logged in using Google Classroom. From there, I'm just going to click Start the Activity, and it will take me into the assignment and allow me to begin. So that's how you will log in to Desmos using Google. Let's take a look now at the Point them out assignment. The assignment begins with our learning goals and success criteria. If we scroll down, there's a link here that takes us to the Desmos activity. Go ahead and click on that link, and it should take us to a page that looks like this. We'll go ahead and click Start the Activity. And the activity begins with the learning goals and success criteria. We'll go ahead and click Next. And we're going to go ahead and click Start Playing. And it's going to ask you a series of questions. And then once it's done asking you questions, it's going to partner you up with somebody in the class. Once you're partnered up, you're going to ask a series of questions yourself to try to figure out the location of the points in the graphs. So for instance, we have a point here. You won't be able to see the point on their graph. You'll ask questions to determine where that point is. Once you're done with that, you'll go back to your Google form and click Next. This will take you to your Before You Go. Go ahead and fill out your Before You Go and then submit your work on Google Classroom.